The prosecution rests in the trial of Officer Cesar Goodson Jr., the Baltimore officer facing the most serious charges in the arrest and death of Freddie Gray. It comes after another dramatic day of testimony about what happened in the transport van and a potential bombshell about new evidence. WJZ investigator Mike Hellgren is live outside Courthouse East to explain how it could shake up the trial. Mike.
There could be a big shakeup, Vic. Here's what's already happened. The defense has filed a written motion for acquittal. Tomorrow morning, the state will have a chance to respond inside the courtroom. Then the judge will rule. He could throw out all, part, or none of this case. The state has rested its case against Officer Cesar Goodson Jr. after 22 witnesses over 5 days.
The state in its opening argument talked quite extensively about a rough ride being given to Freddie Gray by Officer Goodson, the driver, obviously, of the wagon. There was no indication that there was a rough ride. There was 45 minutes worth of video surveillance that was presented by the detective in the case. There was no indication whatsoever of a rough ride. In a blow to prosecutors, the judge will allow detectives' notes into evidence showing Assistant Medical Examiner Dr. Carol Allen thought at one point Freddie Gray's death could be an accident. Allen testified last week the word accident never crossed her lips.
So this would be a way for the defense to attack her credibility, but it's not, I think, a slam dunk that if they have this, they win.
The judge heard emotional testimony from the paramedic who found Gray unresponsive and said his neck felt like a crumbly bag of rocks. She screamed at the officers there, saying, "What the blank did you guys do to him?" She says Goodson simply shrugged his shoulders in response.
The fact that she sort of said, what the F have you done, I don't think should be presumed in any way to mean they had done something.
Prosecutors also heard from Neil Franklin, a former Baltimore cop who reformed police training here. He said Gray should have been secured with a seatbelt. The defense has filed a motion for acquittal. The judge will hear arguments in the morning.
What may be important to some observers may be less important to a judge, and so you just don't know what ultimately the judge is going to do.
Perhaps a sign of the confidence of the defense in its case. They said if it moves forward, they will present a shortened version to the judge. Live at Courthouse East, Mike Hellgren, WJZ Eyewitness News.
Mike, thank you. And here's what you need to know about the trial for Officer Cesar Goodson. Today is day 5 in the trial. The prosecution turned over new evidence about notes a detective took during a meeting with the assistant medical examiner where she said Gray's death could be an accident. A paramedic from the scene testifies as well as a policing expert. The prosecution wrapped up its case today. Stay with WJZ for complete coverage of the Officer Cesar Goodson trial. WJZ will be in court all week to bring you the latest developments in this case.